Hi everyone, today I'm going to be introducing you about working in New Zealand. There are two different types of work visas which I would recommend you to consider. The first is an Accredited Employer Work Visa, and then the second is Specific Purpose Work Visa. Accredited Employer Work Visas are generally for those who are wanting to seek permanent stay in New Zealand and receive residence visa in the end. On the other hand, Specific Purpose Work Visas are for those who are wanting or short-term stay in New Zealand or secondment in New Zealand. This doesn't mean you can't apply for an Accredited Employer Work Visa even though you're contemplating a short-term stay in New Zealand or vice versa. This is just that for short-term employment, Specific Purpose Work Visas are more suitable, and for long-term stay or apply for permanent residence in the end, Accredited Employer Work Visas are more suitable in this case. Employer work visas are granted for 5 years, whereas specific purpose work visas are granted between 3 and 36 months, depending on the reason for your stay in New Zealand. Accredited employer work visa are granted for a longer period than specific purpose work visa. There are more requirements to satisfy. First is the employer must become an accredited employer. Second is they must complete a job check, that is going out to the labour market and see whether there are any other suitable New Zealand citizen or resident visa holder before offering the role to the applicant. And then the last is offering the applicant more than the median salary in New Zealand, that is $29.66 an hour as of today's date. In contrast, specific purpose work visas don't have such requirements. Employers don't have to become accredited employers, they don't have to complete job check, and they don't have to pay the median salary or more. Because of these characteristics, Accredited employer work visas are more suitable for those who are wanting to stay in New Zealand permanently and seek for their residence visas in the end, and specific purpose work visas are more suitable for those who are wanting to stay in New Zealand for a fixed term or secondment in New Zealand and leave after their period of stay in New Zealand. Wanting to know more about working in New Zealand? Get in touch with me and I'll guide you through to the next step. My name is Daniel and I am with NZIL.